how to download and configure Apache Maven. Apache Maven is a very popular product, and this is very essential if you want to maintain dependencies between your project and the jars you're going to use them. Maven also does many other things very well. One of them is it has its own life cycle. So you can, for example, say Maven clean or Maven install for installing an applications. You can also say Maven test for running a test case or set of test cases you have built. So with that, let's get started with download and configuring Apache Maven. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the internet and say Maven download. And I've noticed that on the internet there are many websites from where you can download. You really want to go to the original website of where the product is coming from. Otherwise, you can get spyware and other things. So here I'll go to maven.apache.org. That's the Apache's, Apache is the owner for Maven. And here we will go look at the files section. There are two types of files. You can see they're binary files, they're source files. Binary also is coming in a zip format and also a tar gz format. Same with source. Most of the people find it easier to deal with zip file, but if you are good with tar or untarring this file, you can use this as well. So I'll go to the zip file here. I will basically go and download this. It will take a few seconds, and once I have it, I am going to look at the file in the folder, and then I am let me open this file here, show in folder, and I already have downloaded like before, but this is the one I just got. I'm going to extract it, extract all to my softwares folder here, softwares folder, and I say extract. So I already have extracted this file to this location. So I will go to C softwares and Apache Maven 352 bin. So if you extracted this, it's going to take a little bit of time. And once you're complete, you will see all this subfolders inside the unzipped Apache Maven 352 bin folder. So the important file here is Maven, MVN, and that needs to go to the path. So you need to set your path. On Mac, you need to open your bash profile file and set the path. On Windows, you need to go to your computer here, and then you go My PC, Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, and then you basically go and to path here, say edit, and then you'll need to create a new variable that will be pointing to this bin folder. So I already have done it. If you're doing from scratch, you will say new, and then you will be putting the path here. An easy way to put that path is to go, so basically you should go where your file is located, bin folder, click on this white space here, and that will highlight. So basically what I did, I went to the address bar, clicked after bin, and I got this link here, and then you can take that link and you can just put it here. Right? So I already have it, so I'm not going to do that again, but that's what you need to do. The other thing you probably may or may not have done is adding a new system variable called Java Home. And if you do not have Java Home, your Maven setup will have issues later. So if you don't have a Java Home property variable here, system variable, you can go and say new Java underscore home, and then put, I'm sorry, just keep switching between Mac and Windows. Okay, and then you can put the variable value here, like that C software, Java or C program files, Java JDK. So that's it from setup perspective. And if you want to verify if your Maven is working or not, create a new command prompt or terminal on Mac. Do not reuse the existing opened terminal, because that every time you set a new path variable, terminal or command does not know that you made the changes. So you need to start a new command or terminal window. This is really important. Otherwise, you might be wondering why I'm not able to run Maven. So then you restart and click MVN. And if the Maven is in a path, you're gonna see that it's able to recognize the command and trying to look for the projects. Of course, it's a build failure, which is okay because you're not at the right location. I'm testing if we have the Maven in the path or not. And if you're getting errors like Maven not on the file path or the command not found, you definitely have an issue with the path. And just make sure you are restarting a command or terminal prompt. Okay, so here were the instructions on how to download and configure Apache Maven. Thank you for watching this video.